Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Let's unbox the Hisense 14 kg washing machine. And guys, by the way, please don't judge. I didn't know that I had to literally pull up the box. I went all the way and cut it up, and yeah, it was troublesome. I didn't know that I had to pull it up. So please do forgive me for that. We learn every day, right? It's a beautiful washing machine. Hope you enjoy the unboxing. Please do let me know if you've got any questions. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I will also definitely post a follow-up video with me doing the actual laundry, just to see you how powerful, how beautiful, how quick, convenient this machine is guys. So thank you so much for all your support,